How to install Castle App TV on PC. Now in this video, I'll provide you a certain method for you to be able to use and install Castle App TV using your PC. So of course, Castle App TV application is not available on any kinds of operating system. What you want to have to do is to use an emulator. Now open up a browser available on your end and type in BlueStacks. Or you can go ahead and head straight into BlueStacks.com's official website. So BlueStacks actually kind of work like a Google Play Store that you can use from your PC. So what you want to have here is to download this, and once you access it, just simply look for Castle App TV, install it, and run it as normal. And that's how you install Castle App TV on PC.